morning class. Today we will read about a pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. It's called pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. These are the pronoun. I, we, you, which is instead of noun. It should be instead of noun. I, we, you, he, she, it and they. For example, she is a good girl. She is here pronoun. Now we will read types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative and indefinite. Personal pronoun. What do you mean by personal pronoun? Personal pronoun are used in the subject in a sentence. It is used in a subject in a sentence. Subject in a sentence. For example, I, you, he, she, it, they, etc. It is used in a subject in a sentence. See. For example, we live near a temple. We live near a temple. So, we is a personal pronoun. It is depend on subject in a sentence. Now, possessive pronoun are the pronoun that indicate in possessive. Possessive pronoun are those pronoun which indicate in possessive. For example, mine, yours, his, her, ours, it, etc. Here are the example. The cute puppy is mine. So here mine is possessive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are the point of a specific person. It is here should be a point out of a specific personal, animal, place, things or idea. It should be demonstrative pronoun where we should use to point out personal, animal, place or thing or ideas. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. For example, this, that, these and those. Now we will give one more example. Is this your book? Here is a demonstrative example. Is this. We are specifying a personal, place, animals or thing. So here is this. This is your book. So it is a demonstrative pronoun. Now we will read interrogative. Interrogative, you know, when we are asking the question. When you are asking someone to question, it is an interrogative pronoun. For example, who, whom, whose, what, which. These are the interrogative pronoun where we are using asking the question. Which is your book? Here you are asking the which is your book. For another example, how old are you? What is your name? And where we are using to asking the question, there is the interrogative pronoun. Now indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun do not refer. It do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. Indefinite pronoun which do not refer. It do not refer any particular place, person or thing. It can be any. It do not refer to any particular place, person or thing. For example, everybody, anybody, several, both, many. So it should not referring to a particular place, person or thing. For example, everybody can enter this place. Here is everybody is indefinite pronoun. Now we will read emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun are those pronoun which are usually laid down emphasizing. Is called emphatic pronoun. It is used and action was doing by subject. Action is doing by subject but not used by an object. It is done by subject but not an object in a sentence. It has a subject but not it has a pronoun action. Action is doing by subject but not a object. It depends on a totally in subject but not in object in a sentence. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, etc. For example, I did the painting myself. He himself do a painting. So it is an action of doing by subject but not in a object in a sentence. Myself. Now reflexive pronoun. It is used in a sentence when the subject and the object are referred to a person or animals. It has a both subject and object which is refers to a animals or person. For example, myself, himself, themselves, etc. I looked at myself in the mirror. Here it is a personal or it defined to a subject and object but it referred to a person or animals. Personal pronoun and personal and animals. I looked at myself. It here is defined that I look, it is a personal, myself in a mirror. Now relative pronoun come after a noun. It is come after a noun in a point out to them. It come out the noun, but it give more information about them. Relative pronoun are those which come after noun, but it pointed to them when it give more information. For example, who, whom, whose, whoever, whomever, which, that, what, etc. For example, this is the cake which Mary made. It tell the noun, come after the noun to point them, or it give the more information. It giving the information that this is the cake. It is a cake, but whom it was made by, which Mary made. Mary is made this cake. So it give all the information. So it is a relative pronoun. And now antecedent. It is a noun that replaced by pronoun. It is a noun which is replaced by noun. For example, Sita is going to the market. It replaced by noun. Sita is going to a market. Here Sita is replaced by pronoun. Listen, student, carefully. Sita is replaced by pronoun. Then we turn in, she has to buy bread. Tom is traveling to Japan. He had got a new job. Now listen. Here noun is Sita and it is replaced by pronoun she. Noun is Sita but it is replaced by pronoun she. Sita is replaced by she, that is pronoun, and Tom is replaced by he, that is pronoun. Noun is replaced by, where the noun is replaced by pronoun, that is called antecedent. Where is noun is replaced by, that is called this. Sita is replaced by she and Tom is replaced by he. This is called this. Now it is your homework to write the essay on education, 15 line. Okay, you can do yourself.